Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Oh, oh, oh. ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनक्क हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा कोमलङ्कूजनं वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकाया त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्या सहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं वश्य गोपालकृष्णम् आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशं ज्वलितमकरसत्कुण्डलं मन्दहास स्यन्दाद्रं कौस्तुभश्रीपरिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलम् चारुस्निग्धोर्मं भोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम् श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द मोक्षाब्धिसारमय भागवताख्य दध्नो नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघ परितप्त जनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै गंगा गीता च गायत्र्यपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्य यत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिदधुरुषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः। हरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरण गोविन्द गोविन्द। श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायूरप्पने शरणम्। आनन्दचिन्मयने शरणम्। चोटानिकर भगवती अम्मये शरणम्। नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवं नमस्ते. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayaniam session. We have finished first 60 dashakans. That's a lovely milestone. We'll reach somehow 70 and then we will do the Parayan. So after 10 dashakams, the normal practice which we'll hold it, we'll do 70. Let's straight away dive into the 61st tonight. It's going to be Yajva Patni Uddharana Varnana. And it's a Vamshastra Chandas. Have we done the Chandas? Yes, we have done. Quickly, somebody, just 2 points.
It's got 12 syllables in one line of Ada. So it is ja, ta, ja, ra. So one lagu, then guru lagu, then guru guru lagu, then again the same repeated, except the last one is guru lagu guru. And there are quite a few of them I've noted down that we have done before.
Okay.
I think Prachitasa Katha, then Ajamilo. Number is 19. 19, okay. 22, 42, and 48. I don't know if I've missed out anymore.
Awesome. Awesome. Anybody has any other information? All this? Okay. So Ajamila Katha, and then what else?
Shakata Suravadhanam.
Okay.
Then Yamalarjuna Bhanjanam.
Okay. Good. So now we will see Yatnya Patni Uddharana. Okay. My sweet two, come over, let us begin. Okay, the second 61. Tatascha Vrindavanatoti Durataha.
Tatascha Vrindavanatoti Durataha.
Vanangatastvam khalu gopa gokulaihi.
Vanangatastvam khalu gopa gokulaihi.
Ridantare bhakta taradvijangana kadambakanugrahanagraham vahan. We cannot stop there.
Ridantare bhaktaradvijangana.
Bhaktatara.
Ridantare bhaktataradvijangana kadambaka nugrahanagraham vanam.
Not vanam, vahan.
Tatascha Vrindavanatoti Durataha. Vanam gatastvam khalu gopa gokulaihi. Ridantare bhaktataradvijangana kadambakanugrahanagraham vahan.
Your brothers are going to join later, right? Yes. Okay. Tatascha.
Right now.
Yes. So Tatascha means thereafter. So stories of Krishna's Leelas are going on. So there one more Leela is coming. Vrindavanataha ati durataha. Vrindavanataha. So when this taha comes, Panchami Vibhakti means from Vrindavan. Ati durataha, far away. Vanam, in the forest. Gataha, Tvam Bhattatari is saying you had gone to the forest. Gopa Gokulaihi. So Gopa Gokulaihi means Gopa, all the Gopa boys. Gokulaihi means all the cow. Kula of all the cows. Gokula. So means all the cattle and all the Gopa boys, they had gone far away one day. Hridantare, Hridantare, in his heart. Means in whose heart? Krishna's heart. Bhaktatara means the best devotees, who are the best bhakta. Tarattama bhava, who are very great devotees of Lord. Who? Dvijangana kadambaka. Dvijangana, Dvija, Brahman. Dvijangana, wives of the Brahmins. Kadambaka, a group of wife of Brahmins. Anugrahanagram Vahan. Anugraha means they were desiring for Krishna's blessings. They had this desire. Who? The Anganas, Dvijanganas. So this Krishna knew in mind. He knew it. To bless them, to come fulfill their agraham, one day he has gone away from Vrindavan in a very far off forest with all the Gopa boys and the cows. ततश्च वृन्दावनतोऽति दूरतः वनङ्गतस्त्वं खलु गोपगोकुलैः हृदन्तरे भक्ततरद्विजाङ्गना कदम्बकानुग्रहणाग्रहं वहन्. Yes, Anish. ततो निरीक्षा शरणे वनान्तरे
ततो निरीक्ष्य शरणे वनान्तरे
किशोरलोकं क्षुधितं तृषाकुलम्
किशोरलोकं क्षुतितं तृषाकुलम्
अदूरतो यज्ञपरान् द्विजान् प्रति
अदूरतो यज्ञपरान् द्विजान् प्रति
यसर्जयो दीदिवियाचनायता
यसर्जयो दीदिवियाचनायतान् ततो निरीक्षा शरणे वनान्तरे किशोरलोकं क्षुधितं तृषाकुलम् अदूतरो यज्ञपरान् द्विजान् प्रति व्यसर्जयो दिव्याचनायतान्.
Didivi Vyachanaya. So now what happened? Tataha. Then Niriksha Asharane Vanantare. In that vana, in that forest, Asharana. There was nothing over there. Niriksha, having seen that there is nothing nearby in the forest, and what he's seeing where nothing is available, the Kishora Lokam, all the Gopa boys, Shudhitam, hungry, Trushakulam, thirsty. So, where there is nothing available in the forest, and seeing that the Gopa boys are very hungry and thirsty, Adurataha, not so far away, Dura far, Adura, not so far away from there, Adurataha, Yajnaparan Dvijan, Yajnaparan, who are very great Yajna, who are experts of Yajna, such Dvija, to those Brahmanas, prati, towards them, Didivi Yachanaya, Didivi, some rise, Yachanaya, to ask for Vyasarjaya Tan. You had sent them to those Brahmanas who were very great in doing all the rituals, who were Yajna experts. So he sent the boys that it's not so far away, Yajna is happening over there, go and ask for some rice over there. You will get some rice. ततो निरीक्ष्या शरणे वनान्तरे किशोरलोकं क्षुधितं तृषाकुलम् अदूरतो यज्ञपरान् द्विजान् प्रति व्यसर्जयो दीदिवियाचनायतान्. Yes, actually. गतेष्वथोतेष्वभिधायते
गतेष्वथोतेष्वभिधायते
कुमारकेष्वोदनयाचिषु प्रभो
कुमारकेष्वोदनयाचिषु प्रभो
श्रुतिस्थिरा अप्यभिनिन्युरश्रुतिम्
श्रुतिस्थिरा अप्यभिनिन्युरश्रुतिम्
न किञ्चिदूचुश्च महीसुरोत्तमाः
न किञ्चिदूचुश्च महीसुरोत्तमाः गतेष्वथोतेष्वभिधायते भिधाम् कुमारकेष्वोदनयाचिषु प्रभो श्रुतिस्थिरा अप्यभिनिन्युरश्रुतिम् न किञ्चिदूचुश्च महीसुरोत्तमाः.
Excellent. Arjun has made it sound very easy, but most of you will need a good practice to chant this verse. It's little tough to keep the shakara and those conjuncts. So, and also in between those dvitvas are coming. So not so very easy. So be careful while chanting. Practice it well. Let us see. Gateshu athaha teshu abhidhaya te abhidham kumarakeshu odanayachishu. So you saw all those words ending. They are meaning that Sati Saptami. All are in Saptami Vibhakti. Gateshu, Teshu, Kumarakeshu. So this Teshu, Kumarakeshu. Teshu is in the first line. Kumarakeshu is in the second line. To those Kumaras, Gateshu, when they had gone. So when these Kumara boys, when these Gopalas have gone, for what? Odanayachishu. So when all these saptamis are together, the Sata Saptami rule means when this happened, then this happened. So when you want to say when this happened, then this happened, then Saptami is used. So this is a typical, so all this shva you are saying, it is actually Gateshu, Teshu. So all those are the sandhis that has happened. So when the boys went there and asking for Odanayachishu and asking for the cook rice, asking for some food, asking that time Shruti Sthira. So now very good usage of words are coming over here. Shruti Sthira P. Abhininyu Ashrutim. So Shruti means Veda. Okay. Shruti means Veda Vakyas. Now it will, over here it is two meaning. Shruti Sthira, who can hear properly also. Okay. Those who can hear properly. But these are Brahmanas. Those who are Shruti Sthira, established in Vedas. So in that way, Shruti Sthira, firmly established in Vedas. But otherwise, Shruti Sthira, one whose hearing capacity is Sthira, one who can hear properly. Both meanings are there. Huh? So, Api, also, Shruti Sthira Api, these are learned also. But Abhininyu acted, pretended. What? Ashrutim. They don't hear. The boys are asking for food and they are able to hear, but they are pretending they are not hearing. And in another word, they are established in Vedas and yet pretending they are not hearing it. And na kinchit uchu. Nothing they said. Kinchit abhi, nothing, not a word they uchuhu uttered. Mahisurottamaha. They are the greatest on the earth, the learned scholars, the greatest Brahmanas. So Brahmanas having higher position because of their knowledge. But if it's not put to practice, then only born in the kula will not make them great. Now they are posing themselves as great and these boys are asking for some food. They are not giving. And in that first line, you see the word Abhidhaya te Abhidham. Te Abhidham, your name, Abhidhaya, they told your name. So boys simply didn't go and ask. They told Krishna's name also, that Krishna has sent us and we need food. Still, they are not recognizing Lord. So this will be many of our conditions. So I have myself seen, and at one point in my life, even I was probably like that, probably in my late 20s. This bhakti is for people who are illiterate, who don't have knowledge. I want knowledge. So there was a superiority complex. Jnana. So what is this ritual and simply Bhagavan cry for Lord and all? When I was younger, I would look down upon it. I had no knowledge about it. I have not spoken this to anybody, but today it is coming out because it's a fact, right? There are many people who feel that you don't have any other job, you don't understand anything, so you just offer bhakti to the Lord. And to have jnana, to study the books, to study the Upanishads, that's something superior. So there is a lot of ahankara into it. So these Brahmanas who are ahankara of their knowledge, they are not giving any place for devotion Lord is evoked by devotion, that is not there. So always this jnana bhakti fight. So now the stage in life, that younger stage is over. Now you see it as same. Without devotion, the jnana cannot come. Without jnana, the devotion cannot come. Now you see all that same. But there was one point in my younger days where, and living in Pune, you see lot of Varkaris and all. Okay. And if you see them, so in my younger days, I used to feel that, okay, bhakti is meant for people who are very poor, who don't know anything, who are literate. They are jnanis that time, I don't know, okay, because I have not spoken to anybody, but such foolish thoughts I carried as a young thing, and would look down upon something is only devotion, is something very looked down upon in those days. And only a solid jnana, something which would trigger the logic, that is superior. Somewhere you read and then you crack some nice Vedanta Vakya or Sutra or something like that. You read in Sanskrit and you do something about it. Was like a very proud moment those days. So now over here, the Brahmanas and that line, Te Abhidham, your name, Abhidhaya, they told. Then also, these Brahmanas are not recognizing that because they are highly on the ritual side. They are doing the Yajna Karma, what a place for devotion. Well, you have to do something and you have to evoke in such a procedure and all. So that is the Brahmana status. It's not the bookish knowledge. I had to say this because no, I even one point, even my some thoughts were like that. That kind of a low level thoughts carried in the younger days. गतेष्वथोतेष्वभिधायते भिधा कुमारकेष्वोदनयाचिषु प्रभो श्रुतिस्थिराप्यभिनिन्युरश्रुतिं न किञ्चिदूचुश्च महीसुरोत्तमाः. That time learning in the convent and English medium, there's a high of that. And those who go for the local schools look down. Those who don't know to talk English, they look down. All these things were there happening in my head in those times. Radha is there. Okay, so adults can raise hands. Magic. Number 4. Anadarat khimna dhiyo hi balakaha.
अनादरात् खिन्नधियो हि बालकाः
Samayayuryuktamidau hi yajvasu.
समाययोर्युक्तमिदं हि यज्वसु
Tirada bhaktah khalu te mahisuraha.
चिरादभक्तः खलु ते महीसुराः
Athau hi bhaktan tvaitai samarpyate.
कथं हि भक्तं त्वयितैः समर्प्यते अनादरात् खिन्नधियो हि बालकाः समाययोर्युक्तमिदं हि यज्वसु चिरादभक्तः खलु ते महीसुराः कथं हि भक्तं त्वयितैः समर्प्यते.
Anadarat. So these boys, they were not given a proper respect and all. They didn't even bother their existence up. So by that, they have ignored the boys completely. Khinna dhiyaha. Their hearts were very khinna, sad. They got very felt dejected. Who? Those balakas. Then samayayuhu. They came back. To whom? To Krishna. Idam hi yajvasu. So what happened? Chirad, these ritualists, for them, Chirad abhaktaha khalute mahisura. For a long time, they have been abhakta. These mahisuras, these brahmanas, they have been abhaktaha. Then, see the usage of the words, like how we enjoyed the shruti and ashruti. So like that over here, they are abhakta. Abhakta means one who is not having devotion. They think by doing all the yajna karmas only, they will reach to whatever the goals. No need to have devotion. So katham, so those who are chirada bhakta, for a long time, those who have been a bhakta, katham, how? Bhaktam tvaite samarpyate. How can they give you food? So here bhakta is the something that to eat. those who are thinking that only in the yajna, and those who don't, those who are abhakta, those who don't have devotion, how can they offer food to the Lord? So abhakta is non-devotion and bhakta is the food in the last line. Kathami bhaktam tvaite samarpyate, on you, towards you, how they will offer the food. How many of us think Lord eats food? How many of us offer nevedya to the Lord every day? Not many. Lord eats. But do we have that devotion that Lord eats what we offer? We don't have. Do we have the conviction? Okay, some puja part is happening, something is happening, we'll probably offer. Daily, who can put water in front of Lord? Who are putting? We are putting, excellent. Who's putting water and food in front? Because the thought of that bhakti is there, that Lord would need food, Lord would need water. It comes out of bhakti. And there you offer it. So those who are abhakta, how can they offer the bhakta? Bhakta is food. How they offer? If you don't believe in that, how can you do that ritual? So that's very beautiful, these two lines. Chirat abhaktaha. Katham bhaktam samarpyate. How they will offer it? To who? Tvai. Bhattatari is saying to how to you they will offer the food. अनादराथिन्न धियो हि बालकाः समाययुर्युक्तमिदौ हि यज्वसु चिरादभक्ताः खलु ते महीसुराः कथं हि भक्तं त्वयि तैः समर्प्यते. सः Don't lower the hand, let it be raised only. Nivedayadhvam grihini janaya mam.
निवेदयध्वन् गृहिणी जनाय माम्
Tisheyurannan karunakula imaha.
तिशेयुरन्नन् करुणाकुला इमाः
Iti smitadram bhavateritaagataha.
इति स्मिताद्रम् भवतेरितागताः
Edarakadara याचिरे.
ते दारकादारजनन्ययाचिरे निवेदयध्वम् गृहिणी जनाय माम् तिशेयुरन्नं करुणाकुला इमाः इति स्मितार्द्रम् भवतेरितागताः ते दारकादारजनं ययाचिरे.
So beautiful line has come. Nivedayadhvam. Go and Nivedayadhvam. It is an order. Vandadhvam. We have seen that. So you go and you Niveda over there. You tell over there. To whom? Gruhini Janaya. Gruhini, the housewives of those Brahmanas. Go and tell them, Mom, that it's for me. They have to give for me, or that I am there. It's from me that you boys have gone and approaching them. Disheyuhu annam. They will give you food. Karunakulaha ima. So Karunakula. Those Gruhini Janas are very full of Karuna. So out of that compassion, you go and tell about me, and you tell that I am over here. And you will definitely, out of their compassion, guarantee you will get the food, some food over there. Iti, in this way, smitadram, with a small smile, bhavata iritaha. So you said like this, and te darakaha gataha, those boys went. To whom? Darajanam, to the wives, and yayachire, and went and requested. Nivedayadhvam grihini janaya maam disheyurannan karunakula imaha iti smitadram bhavateritagataha te darakadara janaya yachire. That's it. Grihita namni tvai sambhramakulah.
There's a visarga at the end.
Because that sh is there, no, on the second line. So if you
Okay,
put that
fine.
sandhi,
Okay.
it will become.
Okay. Grihitanamni tvai sambhramakulah
चतुर्विधं भोज्यरसं प्रगृह्यताः
चतुर्विधं भोज्यरसं प्रगृह्यताः
भमः प्रण चिरन्धृतत्वत्प्रविलोकनाग्रहाः
चिरन्धृतत्वत्प्रविलोकनाग्रहाः
स्वकैर्निरुद्धा अपि तूर्णमाययुः
स्वकैर्निरुद्धा अपि तूर्णमाययुः गृहीतनाम्नि त्वयि सम्भ्रमाकुलाः चतुर्विधं भोज्यरसं प्रगृह्यताः चिरन्धृतत्वत्प्रविलोकनाग्रहाः स्वकैर्निरुद्धा अपि तूर्णमाययुः.
So now what happens? Grihita Namni, as soon as your name was taken, Tvai. Grihita Namni Tvai. So when your name was taken, again that's Sauti Saptami. Sambhrama Kulaha, they were so excited. Chaturvidham Bhojarasam, 4 types of food. Pragruhyataha, they just got and gave, brought all the 4 types of food. Something that can be chewed, something can be licked, or something can be swallowed, and something has to be eaten. In that way, Chaturvidha Anna, they brought all kinds of food. Immediately they brought. How? Chiram, very for a long time. Chiram dhrutat tvat pravilokana agraha. For a long time, dhruta, they were holding tvat pravilokana, to see you, agraha. They had this desire of a long time to see you, to see the Lord. These Dvijanganas were holding. So the moment the boy said his name, they were all so excited, Sambhrama Kula, and in that excitement, they offered all that they could give for the boys, all the wives. And how? Swakaihi niruddhaha api. Their husbands were niruddhaha, they were stopping. But then also, Turnam, immediately, quickly, they brought and gave. So in spite of their householders were stopping them, the housewives were not ready to listen to their husbands, and they just left the house with the food to give to Lord. So bhakti does all this. Jnana is of no use if no bhakti. Without bhakti, then jnana will also not sprout. गृहीतनाम्नि त्वयि सम्भ्रमाकुलाश्चतुर्विधं भोज्यरसं प्रगृह्यताः चिरन्धृतत्वत्प्रविलोकनाग्रहाः स्वकैर्निरुद्धा अपि तूर्णमाययुः. निखिलाजी, don't lower the hands. Those who want to volunteer, let the hands be there even if you finish your turn, so that I can just quickly pick up and continue the round. Vilolapinchachikure kapolayoh.
विलोलपिञ्चञ्चिकुरे कपोलयोः
Samullasatkundalamādramīkṣite.
समुल्लसत्कुण्डलमार्द्रमीक्षिते
Nidhāya bāhum suhrudam sasimani.
निधाय बाहुं सुहृदं ससीमनि
Thitam bhavantam samalokayantataः.
हितं भवन्तं समलोकयन्तताः विलोलपिञ्चञ्चिकुरे कपोलयोः समुल्लसत्कुण्डलमार्द्रमीक्षिते निधाय बाहुं सुहृदं समीमनि स्थितं भवन्तं समलोकयन्तताः.
Such beautiful. See, now when they have run to offer, how is the darshan? Lord is giving them this darshan. Vilola picham. This picham is feather. The peacock feather. It is nicely moving. Where? Chikure. In the curl of his head. In the hair, the peacock feather is most slightly moving. And then Kapola yoho, on the cheeks. Samullasat kundala. Kundala is earring. Samullasat, from all sides is it shining. The kundalas are shining and it's reflecting on the cheeks, the shine of the kundala. And ardra ikshite, very compassion, ardra ikshite with that glance. And nidhaya, keeping, bahum, his hand, suhruda amsa. Amsa is shoulder. Suhruda amsa on the shoulder of the friend. Suhruda is friend. Amsa is shoulder. Simani. He has kept his hand on the friend's shoulder. And sthitam bhavantam samalokayantataha. Sthitam bhavantam, you are standing like that. And samalokayanta taha, those Brijanganas, they are looking with full eyes completely. They are grasping the Lord in their eyes. This is the darshan Lord has given them. So beautiful. विलोलपिच्छं चिकुरेकपोलयोः समुल्लसत्कुण्डलमाद्रमीक्षते निधाय बाहुं सुहृदं ससीमनि स्थितं भवन्तं समलोकयं तताः. Very beautiful. Sumana, those who want to chant, please keep your hands raised. It makes it difficult. And also those who have raised hands, keep the cameras open. So I can just quickly flow into, when the hands are raised, those names are up, then it's easy for me to pick it up. Tada cha kachit tvadupagamodhyata.
तदा च काचित् त्वदुपागमोद्यता
गृहीतहस्तादयितेन यज्वना.
गृहीतहस्तादयितेन यज्वना
तदैव सञ्चिन्त्य भवन्तमञ्जसा.
तदैव सञ्चिन्त्य भवन्तमञ्जसा
विवेश कैवल्यमहो कृतिन्यसौ.
विवेश कैवल्यमहो कृतिन्यसौ तदा च काञ्चित् त्वदुपागमोद्यताम् गृहीतहस्तादयितेन यज्वना तदैव सञ्चिन्त्य भवन्तमञ्जसा विवेश कैवल्यमहो कृतिन्यसौ.
You see how beautiful. Bhagwan is so kind. Tada, that time, Kachit, some woman, Tvat Upagamam Udyata. She was prompting to come to see you, to come towards you. That time, Daitena, by her husband, third case, that Yajvana, the Yajna Karmi, what he did, Grihita Hasta. He caught hold of her hand. He's not allowing her only to go. Now she cannot come. He has caught her, not allowing her to go. That Dvijangana's wife is not allowed by her husband. Tadaiva, at that time, Sanchintya, she thought of the Lord. Bhavantam Anjasa. So, she thought of the Lord and Anjasa very easily. Kahivalya Maho Kritinyaso. Her act that she has the strong desire to see the Lord. And now husband is not allowing her. He's holding her hand. She cannot go there. She thinks of the Lord and Lord liberates her there and there. Easily. So what jnana, what bhakti. Over there, those jnanis are doing rituals, okay? Over here, the simple bhakti, the act of bhakti. Lord doesn't want anything. Lord just wants a desire that you have a desire to want a God. That itself, that bhakta, which is joined to the Lord, is enough reason for Lord to bless in whichever state you are. If you are not able to come to the Lord, Lord comes to you. That's why to Lakshmi ji, Narayan always says, no, that I am dasa of my bhaktas. So he will come for his one. Come what may. Tada cha kachit tvadupagamodhyata gruhita hasta daitena yajvana tadaiva sanchintya bhavantam anjasa vivesha kaivalya maho kritinyasau. Nikhilaji. आदाय भोज्यान्यनुगृह्यताः पुनः.
आदाय भोज्यान्यनुगृह्य ताः पुनः
त्वदङ्गसङ्गस्पृहयोज्झतीर्गृहम्.
त्वदङ्गसङ्गस्पृहयोज्झति गृहम्
Repa is that?
त्वदङ्गसङ्गस्पृहयोज्झति गृहम्
Vilokya yajnaya visarjayannimaha.
विलोकयज्ञाय विसर्जयन्निमाः
Akarta bhartruna pita swagarhanan.
चकर्थ पिता स्वगर्हणान् आदाय भोज्यान्यनुगृह्य ताः पुनः त्वदङ्गसङ्गस्पृहयोज्झतीर्गृहम् योज्झ करेक्ट वर्षाजी
Spruhayojjhatirgruham.
त्वदङ्गसङ्गस्पृहयोज्झतीर्गृहम्
Hmm.
विलोक्य यज्ञाय विसर्जयन्निमाः चकर्थ पिता स्वगर्हणान्
So now they have offered food and all. So Adaya, having taken, accepting all that bhojanani, and then Anugriha, giving them blessings also. Punaha, then what again? Tvadanga Sanga Spruhaya Ujjati. So what they have left everything, Ujjati. All they have just done is they have left everything and come. So having seen that, Vilokya, Yajnaya, for the sake of the Yajna, Visarjayan Imaha. Imaha, all these ladies, they Visarjayan. Lord is asking them to go back because you have left your house and you have come over here. Yajna is happening there. I've accepted your food. I'm blessing you, but you need to go up. Chakarta Bhatrun Apita Swagarhanan. Swabhartru, their husbands, Agarhanan, they, and bless them that the husbands will not feel bad about their action. So that is also needed, no? Otherwise you go back home, Krishna is sent back home and then husband said, oh, you don't get in the house. So you have left the house, now you don't come, then what? So Krishna has blessed the other way also, that the husbands will not have any ill feelings, though you have left your house and come. This is also important, right? Otherwise, then there is another problem to deal with one angry husband. And who has to clear that? That's also another issue, right? So in the force of doing whatever we have to do, we will do. And then later we'll think how to pacify is what excuse we have to get. So Krishna has blessed, taken away that difficulty also. आदाय भोज्याननुगृह्यताः पुनः त्वदङ्गसङ्गस्पृहयोज्झतीर्गृहम् विलोक्य यज्ञाय विसर्जयन्निमाः चकर्त भर्तृनपिता स्वगर्हणान्. Lalita ji's hand is there. Good. Please go. Nirupya, sorry, Dirgha or Rasva? I can't see. Nirupya, anybody can see the Rukara?
No.
It's
is
Dirgha,
Dirgha,
it's Nirupya.
Okay.
Dirgha.
Yeah, I have changed my sorry. Nirupya doshan nijamanganajane.
निरूप्य दोषं निजमङ्गनाजने
विलोक्य भक्तिञ्च पुनर्विचारिभिः.
विलोक्य भक्तिं च पुनर्विचारिभिः
प्रबुद्धतत्त्वैस्त्वमभिष्टुतो द्विजैः.
प्रबुद्धतत्त्वैस्त्वमभिष्टुतो द्विजैः
मरुत्पुराधीश निरुन्धि मे गदा.
मरुत्पुराधीश निरुन्धि मे गदान् निरूप्य दोषं निजमङ्गनाजने विलोक्य भक्तिं च पुनर्विचारिभिः प्रबुद्धतत्त्वैस्त्वमभिष्टुतो द्विजैः मरुत्पुराधीश निरुन्धि मे गदान्.
Good. So now what happens? As usual, Matatrij is playing in the end, but before that, Nirupya, Nirupya. Nirupya means having understood dosham, their fault. Nijamangana jane. Nijamangana jane, vilokya. Having seen their own wives' devotion, bhaktim. Punarvichari bihi. Those yajnakartras, they started rethinking about their action. So Krishna just didn't bless that they won't be angry. Krishna gave them the other, that seeing the devotion of their wives, they started to think. And then Prabuddha Tattvaihi, immediately the knowledge dawned on them. And Tvam, to you, O Lord, Abhishtuto Dvijaihi. Stutis were done by those Dvijas on you. O Marutpuradhisha, Ye Guruvairappa, Nirundi me Gadan, remove all my diseases. निरूप्य दोषं निजमङ्गनाजने विलोक्य भक्तिं च पुनर्विचारिभिः प्रबुद्धतत्त्वैस्त्वमभिष्टुतो द्विजैः मरुत्पुराधीश निरुन्धि मे गदान् सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा नारायणा अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. So with his kripa, we could so nicely complete this dashakam and enjoy it and dwell in and realize that his bhakti is what is all needed. May our bhakti grow. May we ever be longing for him alone. Okay, let's dive next. Where is my sweet two? Come, come, come. Yeah. So Shikharini Chandas, have we done before? Yes. Quickly, somebody.
Dashaka 13, 17 syllables.
Where is the yati? 6 and 11.
6 and 11.
6 and 11. So now we are going to see Indrayaga Vighata Varnana. Okay. So all this now, this Govardhana story is going to come. So on one prelude we are seeing, one part we are seeing now. So at 6 yati. So we have to say 6 alphabet, stop, and then go ahead. So if we remember like that, the Shikharini tune will automatically, we will remember. Kadachit Gopalan
कदाचित् गोपालान्
Vihitamaka Sambhara Vibhavan
हितमक संभार विभवान्
Nirikshatvam Shaure.
ईक्षत्वं शौरे.
Saritama, you can mute yourself, please. Madhamudhvam Manaha.
अगवमदं मुद्धं सितुमनाः.
So Maghava Madam. Maghava is this Indra. Maghava Mada is the pride of Indra, ego of Indra. Maghava Madamudhvam Situmanaha.
अगवमदमुद्धं सितुमनाः.
Vijanannapyetan.
विजानन्नप्येतान्
Vinaya Mrudunandadipashupan.
विनयमृदु नन्दादिपशुपान्.
So then na halantana from down first word has gone up. So we over here we'll start with balance is na has gone top. Apruchha kovayam
अपृच्छः को वायम्
Janaka bhavatamudyamaiti.
जनकभवतामुद्यम इति. कदाचित् गोपालान् विहितमखसंभारविभवान् निरीक्ष्य त्वं शौरे भवमदमुध्वं सितुमनाः. विजानन्नप्येतान् विनयमृदुनन्दादिपशुपान् अपृच्छः को वायम् जनकभवतामुद्यम इति.
So now what has happened? Kadachit Gopalan. So one day, all these Gopalas, all these covered boys, Vihita Makha Sambhara Vibhavan. Vihita, something that is destined. Makha, Yajna, Sambhara Vibhavan. They were collecting the Yajna Samagri. Okay. Niriksha, having seen that the Gopa boys are collecting some yajna samagris, Tvam Shaure, oh you, Shaure, from the lineage of Shauri. Maghava Madam, the pride of that Indra, Yudhvamsitum Manaha. You decided in the mind, now this is the time to lower Indra's pride. Vijanan Api, Etan. But knowing this, that what this is, this Yajna Samagri is going for, you are knowing it. Vijanan Api. Having known also, knowing, even though you were knowing, Vinaya, Mrudu soft, Vinaya with humility, Nanda Adi Pashupan. All the other cowherds and to Nanda Babaji, to his own father, Apruchaha, you asked. Kovayam, what is this, Janaka, O father, Bhavatam Udyamaiti, that you are engaged in? What is all this happening? What is this collection for? What, even you are knowing, but you are still asking father you have approached father with humility and with soft words. Understood, no? What has happened? Clear, right? कदाचित् गोपालान् विहितमखसंहारविभवान् निरीक्षत्वं शौरे मघवमदमुध्वंसितुमनाः विजानन्नप्येतान् विनयमृदुनन्दादिपशुपान् अपृच्छः को वायं जनक भवतामुद्यम इति. Yes. बभाषे नन्दस्त्वाम्
बभाषे नन्दस्त्वाम्
सुतननुविधेयो मघवतः
तननुविधेयो मघवतः
मखो वर्षे वर्षे
मखो वर्षे वर्षे
सुखयति सवर्षेण पृथिवी
सुखयति सवर्षेण पृथिवीम्
नृणां वर्षायत्तम्
नृणां वर्षायत्तम्
निखिलमुपजीव्यं महितले
किलमुपजीव्यं महितले
विशेषादस्माकम्
विशेषादस्माकम्
ऋणसलिलजीवा हि पशवः
तृणसलिलजीवा हि पशवः बभाषे नन्दस्त्वां सुतननुविधेयो मघवतः मखो वर्षे वर्षे सुखयति सवर्षेण पृथिवीम् नृणां वर्षायत्तं निखिलमुपजीव्यं महितले विशेषादस्माकं तृणसलिलजीवा हि पशवः.
Babhashe Nandastvam. Nanda Babaji, Tvam told you, talked to you, Suta, O son. No, of course. Vidheyaha Maghataha. So, this Maghavataha. So, Maghavataha to Indra, it is meant for Indra. Makhaha, the Yajna, Varshe Varshe, the every year, means year after year, this Yajna, this offering, Sukhayati, makes it Varshena Prithivim. So, Sukhayati Prithivim, makes Prithvi happy, makes earth happy by giving rain. Okay. So, Nruna, for the human beings, Varshayattam, every year, Nikhilam, completely, Upajivyam Mahitale, the living on this earth is because of the rain. And Visheshadasmakam, especially for us, Truna Salila Jiva hi Pashavaha. Pashavaha, our cows are Truna Salila Jiva, Truna grass, Salila water, Jivaha. Their living is on the water and the grass. So year after year, we definitely have to serve and offer, make yajna and offer the things to Indra. Father explains to his son. Krishna as if he doesn't know.
but everything is now explained. Babhashe nandastvā sutananu vidheyo maghavataha makho varshe varshe. So Indra is giving us rain. Sukhayati savarshena prithivim, and because of that whole Prithvi is happy. Nrinam varshayattam nikhilam upajivyam mahitale visheshadasmakam trunasalila jiva hi pasavaha. Number 3. Iti shrutva vacham
इति श्रुत्वा वाचं
piturai bhavanaha sarasam
पितुरै भवानाः सरसं
dhigettanno satyam
निकेतन्नो सत्यं
maghavajanita vrishtiriti yat.
भगवजनिता वृष्टिरिति यत्
Adrishtan जीवानां
अदृष्टं जीवानां
सृजति खलु वृष्टिं समुचिताम्
प्रति खलु वृष्टिं समुचितां
महारण्ये वृक्षाः
महारण्ये वृक्षाः
किमिव बलिमिन्द्राय ददते.
बलिमिन्द्राय ददते इति श्रुत्वा वाचं पितुरै भवानाः सरसं धिगेतन्नो सत्यं मघवजनिता वृष्टिरिति यत् अदृष्टं जीवानां सृजति खलु वृष्टिं समुचितां महारण्ये वृक्षाः किमिव बलिमिन्द्राय ददते.
Vrikshaha also we can say when we are pausing. Vrikshah kimiva it will hold together also. Okay. Nicely chanted. Thank you. Okay. So now, iti shrutva vacham pituhu. So now, Nanda Babaji explained so very nicely now. So, pituhu vacham shrutva. Hearing father's word. Ai bhavan aha sarasam. So, having said that, you sarasam. Sarasam is with like in an argumentative mode or asking for better reasoning. Bhig. No, it's bhig is not like this. Etan naha satyam. This is not true. Maghava janita vrishtihi itiyat. That rains are caused because of Indra, or Indra is causing the rains. Bhig. No. Na etan na satyam. This is not truth at all. Lord is saying to his father. Adrishtam jivanam srujati khalu vrishtim samuchitam. Jivanam, of all the jivas, of all the human beings, adrishta karma is there. Some karma is there. Adrishta karma means adrishta karma phala you get. So this vrishti, this varsha, this rain is the result of some actions which are done by the human beings in the past. And that karma, adrishta karma phala is the result why it rains. So it's all the actions of people that brings the rain. It's not because of Indra. Maharanye, in big forest, vrikshaha, all the trees, kimiva balim, indraya dadate, to Indra, kimiva balim, any offerings, do the trees give to Indra? Then it's raining in the forest, right? Who is offering over there? Why Indra is pouring rain in the forest? Are the trees offering anything to Indra? Krishna is giving the logic answer. It is the human being's action that is bringing the rain. Where in the forest, in big forest, which tree is offering something to Indra? That's why it is raining in the forest. Krishna is saying. So, Vik, etan na satyam. This is not true that vrishtihi maghava janita. That rain is Indra produce. It's not like that. Indra's grace. It's not that. Iti shrutva vacham piturai bhavanaha sarasam dhigetanno satyam maghava janita vrishtiriti yat adrishtam jivanam srujati khalu vrishtim samuchitam महारण्ये वृक्षाः किमिव बलिमिन्द्राय ददते. Start with all the adults now. Sumanaji. Idam tavat satyam.
idam tavat satyam
Yadiha pashavo nah kuladhanam.
yadiha parshavo nah kuladhanam
Tada jivyayasau.
tada jivyayasau
Balirachala bhartre samuchitaha.
balirachala. Could you repeat it, Varshaji?
Yes. Balirachala bhartre. Balirachala bhartre samuchitaha.
Balirachala bhrarte samuchitaha
Bhartre.
bhartre
Hmm.
balirachala bhartre samuchitaha
Correct. Surebhyopyutkrishta.
surebhyopyutkrishtam
Nanudharani devaha kshititale.
nanudharani devaha kshititale
ततस्ते प्याराध्या.
tataste pyaradhya.
Visarga we should give. It won't be complete. Tataste pyaradhyaha.
tataste pyaradhyaha
Iti jagadithatvan nijajana.
iti jagadithatvan nijajanan idantavat satyai yadiha pashavo nah kuladhanam tada jivyayasau balirachala bhartre samuchitaha surebhyopyutkrishta nanudharani devaha kshititale tataste pyaradhyaha iti jagadithatvan nijajanan.
So now Krishna is explaining further. He says, Idam tavat satyam. This is true indeed. How? Yad iha pashavaha naha. Yushmat shabda naha. Ours. Asmat shabda. Snaha. Kuladhanam. Kuladhanam. Our kuladhanam. It is our wealth. This is satyam. This is true. That cows are our wealth. Okay. I hope in Kerala some Hindu rising happens and at least they have this sense of not to eat beef. It's a delicacy and I think I've seen only state in India where Hindus feed on beef and enjoy that. Something which our scriptures say, something which is prohibited, even if we don't have our buddhi to understand what it says, just first obey. Then cultivate the buddhi in a question, why the scripture is saying so, there would be some truth, let me find the truth in it. But over here, the buddhi is viparita, I must say. Because literacy may not give sanity. Okay. So that is the say. So you can have a 100% literate state, but need not have wisdom. So it's the only, others can do whatever they want to, but somebody who's not upholding the dharma or the shastra, how the dharma will uphold them, how the dharma will protect. And this is the land of Shankaracharya. This is the land of our Gurudev. This is the land of Swami Tapovan Maharaj. This is the land of Sri Narayana Guru. And over here Krishna is saying, Pashavaha naha kuladhanam. Kuladhanam, it's our property. Pashu, cows are naha, our property. What to say? Feel so sad. So then let's go ahead. Tada jivyayaso. Okay. So for them, for their living, tada, for their living, asau, this, Balihi, this Bali, the offering, Achala Bhartre. Mountain is called Achala. So this great mountain, Achala Bhartre, this great mountain, Samuchitaha. This is perfect. That this mountain is nourishing our cows. Cows are our cooler. So this offering should go to the mountain. Achala. Achala is mountain, the one which doesn't move. Surebhyaha api utkrushtaha nanu dharani devaha kshititale on this earth. Dharani devaha. Dharani deva means Dharani is Prithvi. And devas of the Prithvi are all the Santa Mahatmas. And they are Utkrushta, better than or greater than Surebhya, all the devas up in the Swarga. The Dharani devas are better than the Swarga devas, Surebhya, he is saying, on this earth. Tataha, therefore, te api aradhyaha, they also should be worshipped. Iti jagat ithatvam nijajanan. In this way, he advised people. He told that if any offering has to be given, cows are our kuladhana. So offering should go to the mountain which is nourishing the cows. And in this place, on the Mother Earth, the saints, the Mahatmas, are greater than the gods in the Swarga. So the position of saints and Mahatmas is greater than the Lord. Who is saying? Bhagwan is saying. So how much we should serve the Santa and Mahatmas? Are we doing so much seva? The saffron-cladded sannyasi, when we say one namaskara, some offering, something we should do to uphold. Any Veda Pathshala, donate over there, which is doing all this. Any of the ashramas which is upholding the dharma, we squander money probably, I don't know, how much is the cafe latte in Starbucks? 300, 400, I don't know how much, whatever rupees. Over here I'm talking. So we spend so much in one visit, 1,000, 2,000 is just gone in one Starbucks if you enter. Okay. If you enter with 2-3 people, one family, if you're finished, 2,000-3,000 is just gone. But if we can donate something little bit to uphold where the dharma people, they are not asking anything. So if we can foresee and protect the Santa Mahatmas in whichever way, not somewhere remote where not seen, in our town, in our place, which we are seeing over there. Not everything, what we are, wherever, in whichever city of India, each time when we come, in my village, what is there? Who is there? Which is the Santa? Who is doing work? Which Veda Pathshala? Somewhere we have to, because te api aradhyaha. It is what Lord is saying. Idam tavat satyam yadiha pashavo nah kuladhanam tada jivyayasau balirachala bhartre samuchitaha surebhyopyutkrushta nanudharani devaha kshititale. Utkrishtaha, if you are pausing, there should be visarga over there. Utkrishtaha. Later on, all the thoughts come. So we are pausing over there. So we should give a visarga. Surebhyopyutkrushtaha nanudharani devaha kshititale tataste pyarabhyaha iti jagadithatvam nijajana. Bataji. Bhavadvacham shrutva.
Bhajadvacham shrutva.
Bhajano, bhava. Your vacham.
Bhavadvacham shrutva.
Bahumati yuktaste pipashupaha.
Bahumati yutastepi pashupaha.
Vijendranarchantaha.
Dvijendranarchantaha.
Balimadadurujjaihi kshitibhrate.
Balimadadurujjaihi kshitibhrate.
Vyadhuh pradakshinyam.
Vyadhuh pradakshinyam.
Subhrushama सुभृशमन सुभृशमनं मन्नादरयुताः
सुभृशमनमन्नादरयुताः
त्वमादशैलात्मा
त्वमादशैलात्मा
बलिमखिलमाभीरपुरतः
बलिमखिलमाभीरपुरतः भवद्वाचं श्रुत्वा बहुमतियुतास्तेऽपि पशुपात् पशुपाः, isn't it? Sorry. भवद्वाचं श्रुत्वा बहुमतियुतास्तेऽपि पशुपाः द्विजेन्द्रानर्चन्तः द्विजेन्द्रानर्चन्तः बलिमददुरुच्चैः क्षितिभृते व्यधुः प्रादक्षिण्यम् सुभृशमनमन्नादरयुताः त्वमादशैलात्मा बलिमखिलमाभीरपुरतः.
So now what has happened? Bhavadvacham Shrutva, having heard your words, Bahumati Yutaha, with lot of devotion, Te api, all those Pashupaha, those cowherds, Dvijendran, all the Brahmanas, all the saints, Archantaha, did puja of them, worship, and Balim, Adadad, and give the Bali, give all the Yajna Samugris, and Uchchahi Kshiti Bhrute, and also to the mountain. Then Vyaduhu Pradakshina, they did a Pradakshina also to the mountain. Subhrusham, Anaman, Adarayuta, Subhrusham, Anaman, with Subhrusham, with all devotion. Anaman, did namaskara. How? Adarayutaha, with all the great respect and reverence, they did the pradakshina and they did namaskara to whom? To the mountain. And tvam adaha. Tvam adaha means you ate. That Shailatma, being the Atma of the Shaila. Shaila is the mountain. Means you are only the mountain. So Balim Akhilam Adaha. All the Bali, all the Yajna Samagris, whatever they offered, Lord ate as a mountain, not as this Krishna. As a mountain, Lord ate. Abhira Purataha. Abhira Purataha. Abhira is all these cowherds, Purata in front of the cowherd boys and all these. He ate. The mountain ate the offering. This is what Lord wants to show. Who is eating? Lord is eating. But for the Abhiras, for the cowherds, it's the mountain who is eating. They have offered it to the mountain and the mountain has accepted it. Bhavadvacham Shrutva Bahumati Yutastepi Pashupaha Dvijendranarchantaha Balimadadurujjaihi Kshitibhrite Vyadhuh Pradakshinyam Subhrushamanamannadarayutaha Tvamadashailatma Balimakhilamabhirapurataha. Laritama. Number 6. Avochaschaivantan.
Avochaschaivantan.
Kimiha vitatham me nigaditam.
Kimiha vitatham me nigaditam.
Girindro nanveshaha.
Girindro nanveshaha.
Svabalimupaphungte svavapusha.
Svabalimupaphungte svavapusha.
Ayangotro gotrat. Gotradvishi, we cannot, sorry. Gotradvishi is a one word. Ayangotro gotradvishi chakupite rakshitumalam.
Ayangotro gotradvishi chakupite rakshitumalam.
समस्तानित्युक्ताः
समस्तान्युक्ताः
समस्तान् इति उक्ताः समस्तानित्युक्ताः
समस्तान्युक्ताः
जर्हुषुरखिला गोकुलजुषाः
जरुषुरखिला गोकुलजुषाः अवोचश्चैवन्तान् किमिह वितथं मे निगदितं गिरीन्द्रो नन्वेषः स्वबलिमुपभुङ्क्ते स्ववपुषा अयं गोत्रो गोत्रद्विषुच कुपिते रक्षितुमलं समस्तानित्युक्ताः जरुषुरखिला गोकुलजुषः.
So now say avochaha cha evam tan. When he said this, what he said? Kimiha vitatham me gaditam. Did I say something wrong? Vitatham. Did I say something? You see, the mountain is eating. I didn't say anything. See? So Girindraha, this king of the mountains, this Girindra, Nanu Eshaha Swabalim Upabhunkte Swabapusha. He really, this mountain, on his own, he has taken and consumed the food. See, the mountain has only eaten the food. Like that he's saying, I didn't say Vitatham. I didn't say anything wrong. See. So, Ayam Gotraha, this Gotra is mountain. This mountain, Gotra Dvishicha Kupite, the one who is hating the mountain, Kupite, gets angry. Who is hating the mountain? Indra. Why Gotra Dvishi? Because earlier the mountains were flying and Indra had cut the wings of the mountain and the mountains have been grounded. Okay. So this Gotra Dvishi, this Indra, it gets angry. This Ayam Gotra will Rakshitum Alam. To protect us, this mountain is enough if Indra gets angry. So Samastan Ityukta, to all of them, when he has said this, Jarhushuhu Akilaha Gokula Jushaha. All the Gokula Vasis became very happy hearing this. That if any problem comes, this mountain is going to protect. Avochaschaivantan kimiha vitatham me nigaditam girindro nanveshaha swabalimupabhunkte swavapusha ayam gotra dvishicha kupite rakshitumalam samastanityuktaha jarhushurakila gokula jushaha. Lalita ji. परिप्रीता याताः You are not audible, my dear.
परिप्रीतायाताः
खलु बहवदुपेता व्रजजुषः
खलु भवदुपेता व्रजजुषः
व्रजन् यावत् तावत्
व्रजन् यावत् तावत्
sorry व्रजन् यावत् तावत्
व्रजन् यावत् तावत्
निजमख विभङ्गन् निशमयन्
निजमख विभङ्गं निशमयन्
भवन्तं
जानन्नपि
अधिकरजसाक्रान्तहृदयः
अधिकरजसाक्रान्तहृदयः
न सेहे देवेन्द्रः
न सेहे देवेन्द्रः
वधुपरचितात्मोन्नतिरपि
तदुपरचितात्मोन्नतिरपि परिप्रीतायाताः खलु भवदुपेता व्रजजुषः व्रजं यावत् तावत् निजमखविभङ्गं निशमयन् भवन्तं भवन्तं जानन्नपि अधिकरजसा क्रान्तहृदयः न सेहे देवेन्द्रः त्वदुपरचितात्मोन्नतिरपि.
So now what has happened? Pariprita. Huh? Those who are very happily yataha, they came back. Bhavadupeta with you. Where? Vrajajushaha. All the Vrajavasis, they came back with you to Vraja. Then Yavat Tavat. And that time, Nijamakha Vibhangam Nishamayan. Indra gets to know that his this makha, his yajna, whatever the offering, Nishama, he heard that his offering is cancelled, vibhangam. He's not going to get any yajna offerings. So, bhavantan jananapi, knowing you. Knowing you means Indra knowing the Lord. Adhika rajasa. His rajoguna became so high. Akranta hrudayaha. His heart got broken. He got so desperate and disappointed. And na sehe. He could not tolerate this Devendra. And tvad upara chitatma unnatihi api. He has become Indra. That is a higher post. By whose grace? By Lord's grace. So Indra is become Indra because of the Lord's grace, and he knows that it is because of you, Bhavantam, but still he is angered because he got Adhika Rajasa. So now we have to link this to our food and our habits. If we are eating too much Rajasic food and behaving in a Rajasic atmosphere, we will forget the discrimination bhav of what is right and wrong. And if something because I want, it is right. That would be the notion. And it is my way or highway will be the mindset. That's why we have to monitor what we eat. Ayurveda says this. But this is where it is sprouting over here. We get that adhika rajasaha bhavantan jananapi, that he has given the post by Bhagavan, still na sehe, he couldn't tolerate all that. Pariprita yataha khalu bhavadupeta vrajajushaha vrajayyavat nijamakha vibhangam nishamayan bhavantan janannapi adhikarajasa kranta hridayaha na sehe devendraha Tvaduparachitaatmonnatirapi. Sahani. Number 8. Manushyatvaiyataha.
मनुष्यत्यै
Manushyatvaiyataha.
मनुष्यत्यै यातः
Tyai, I'm saying twai.
Okay. मनुष्यत्वै यातः
Madhubidapi deveshva vinayam.
मधुभिदपि देवेष्वविनयम्.
Correct. Vidhatte chennashtaha.
विधत्ते चेन्नष्टः.
Nashtaha, not thaha.
विधत्ते चेन्नष्टः.
Vidhatte chennashtaha.
विधत्ते चेन्नष्टः.
त्रिदश सदसाङ्कोऽपि महिमा.
त्रिदश सदसां कोऽपि महिमा.
ततश्च
ध्वंसिष्ये
पशुपहत कस्य श्रियमिति.
पशुपहत कस्य श्रियमिति.
प्रवृत्तस्त्वां
जेतुम्
सकिलमघवा दुर्मदनिधिः.
सकिलमघवा दुर्मदनिधिः. मनुष्यत्वं यातः मधुभिदपि देवेष्वविनयम्. विधत्ते चेन्नष्टः त्रिदश सदसां कोऽपि महिमा. ततश्च ध्वंसिष्ये पशुपहतकस्य श्रियमिति प्रवृत्तस्त्वां जेतुं स किल मघवा दुर्मदनिधिः.
See now what the pride can do. It can completely blind. Manushyatvam yataha means Lord has come in the human form. Okay. So what? So what if he is Madhubhid? Madhu, Kaitabha, Vadha and all we remember, right? So this Madhu, this who has killed the Asura Madhu. So what? Deveshu Avinayam. Huh? He is showing to all the gods Avinaya. He is not showing humility to all the gods. He is not showing respect to the gods. And Vidhatte Chet Nashtaha. So if he continues like this, all other gods also respect will be washed out. So then Tridashasam Kopi Mahima. So what will whole prestige will be lost if Lord is going to behave like that. He's in the Manushya form. So what? He has to respect gods because he's in Manushya form. Tataha, therefore, Dhomsishye, like Vandishye, Bhavishyat Kal. I will destroy. Dhomsa, I will destroy. Pashupa Hatakasya Shriyam. Shriyam is Lakshmi. Lakshmi means prosperity. All the wealth, all that you have, all your belongings, everything, Shriya. Pashupa, all the cowherds, this cowherds, prosperity, Dhvamsishye. I will destroy. Indra is thinking. Pravruttastvam Jetum. And he wants to win over the Lord, means defeat the Lord. Sakila Maghava Durmada Nidhi. His Durmada, Mada pride, Durmada. What is he? It's all given by the Lord. And that Durmada, that false pride that he is carrying, he spoke such kind of words that he is going to destroy Lord's prosperity. Manush, this is not Indra like that, okay? This is our thing only. When we are angry, we talk like this only. To our own children, to our own people, to whatever. We don't know to whom we are talking also. Just remember any of our anger episodes, to whom we have said what, in the mind, how many people we have killed, just calculate. God alone knows. Whatever is the incidents, whoever it is, I don't know. If in-laws we are killing in the head, I don't know, when we get angry. Okay. In the mode of anger, we have done like this only. So this Indra is, we think Indra's false pride and all, but it is to us. We just forget the rationality of the right and wrong in the mode of anger. So, Krodha is one of the Ripu. Somehow we will have to control it. So all this is for me only, I feel. Manushatvayataha madhubhidapi deveshva vinayam vidhatte chennashtaha vidasha sadasankopi mahima tataschadhvamsishye taschadhvamse, there is a dvitva. Tataschadhvamsishye pashupahatakasya shriyamiti pravruttastvam jetum sakha kila maghava durmadanidhi. Netaji. Number 9. Twadavasam hantum
Tvadavasam hantum
pralaya jaladanambara bhuvi
pralaya jaladanambara bhuvi
prahinvan bibhranaha
prahinvan bibhranaha
kulishamamaya bhagamanaha.
There's only one ma, isn't it?
Kulishamayamabhre.
Okay. Kulishamayamabhre bhre, no. Kulishamayamabhre bhagamanaha
Tatasthenairantaha
Ratasthen yairantaha
दहनमरुदाद्यैर्विहसितः
दहनमरुदाद्यैर्विहसितः
भवन्मायानैव
भवन्मायानैव
त्रिभुवनपते मोहयति कम्
त्रिभुवनपते मोहयति कम् त्वदावासं हन्तुं प्रलयजलदानम्बरभुवि प्रहिन्वन् बिभ्राणः कुलिशमयमभ्रे भगमनः प्रतस्थेन्यैरन्तः दहनमरुदाद्यैर्विहसितः भवन्मायानैव त्रिभुवनपते मोहयति कम्.
See how. So, Tvat avasam hantum, your residence. He wants to what to say, destroy. And pralaya jala dan. Pralaya jalada. Jalada is a cloud. Pralaya jalada. So he has brought clouds of destruction of pralaya. Ambara bhuvi in the sky. And then prahinvan vibhranaha. What he is carrying? Kulisha. Kulisha is his vajra. And this abhreba. Abhreba is his elephant. His Airavata. On that he has, on that he is sitting, Abhreba Gamana. And he is come out now to destroy Lord's house. And he has released his Kulisha also. And then when he is going, Annehi, this Marudadya, all this Vayu god and all other gods, Vihasitaha. They are ridiculing that what stupid action this he is showing. Bhavan Maya, oh Lord, your Maya, naeva, O Tribhuvanapate, Lord, Mohayati kam. So your Maya, to whom it will not delude. So now Indra is completely deluded, right? So Bhattacharya is saying, your Maya, who's not getting deluded by your Maya? Just imagine somebody who destroy Lord's house means what? It's a rage, not anger. Twadavasam hantum pralaya jaladanambara bhuvi prahinvan bibhranaha kulishamayam abhe bhagamanaha pratasthenyairantah dahanamarudadyairbihasitaha bhavanmayanaiva Bhuvanapate mohayati kam. So, in the last sloka, we have reached on time. I see 2 hands. Both of you can come. Okay. So first Sumana ji, then Lalita ji. Surendra kruddhaschet.
सुरेन्द्रः क्रुद्धश्चेत्
सुरेन्द्रः क्रुद्धश्चेत्
Vijakarunaya शैलकृपयापि
द्विजकरुणया शैलकृपयापि
द्विजकरुणया शैलकृपयापि
अनातङ्कोऽस्माकम्
अनातङ्कोऽस्माकम्
नियतैति विश्वास्य पशुपान्
नियत इति विश्वास्य पशुपान्
नियत इति विश्वास्य पशुपान्
अहो किन्नायातः
अहो किन्नायातः
अहो किन्नायातः
गिरिभिदिति सञ्चिन्त्य निवसन्
गिरिभिदिति सञ्चिन्त्य निवसन्
गिरिभिदिति सञ्चिन्त्य निवसन्
मरुद्गेहाधीश
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 प्रणुदमुरवैरिन्मम गदा
प्रणुदमुरवैरिन्मम गदान् सुरे
प्रणुदमुरवैरिन्मम गदान्
सुरेन्द्रः क्रुद्धश्चेत् द्विजकरुणया शैलकृपयाप्यनातङ्कोऽस्माकं नियत इति विश्वास्य पशुपान् अहो खिन्नायातः गिरिभिदिति सञ्चिन्त्य निवसन् मरुद्गेहाधीश प्रणुदमुरवैरिन्मम गदान्
सुरेन्द्रः क्रुद्धश्चेत् द्विजकरुणया शैलकृपयापि अनातङ्कोऽस्माकं नियत इति विश्वास्य पशुपान् अहो खिन्नायातः गिरिभिदिति सञ्चिन्त्य निवसन् मरुद्गेहाधीश प्रणुदमुरवैरिन्मम गदान्.
Thank you. So now what has happened? Surendra, this Indra, Kruddhaschet, if he is angry, Dvija Karunaya, third case, by the compassion of all these Dvijas, holy men, saints, santas, and Shaila Krupaya Api, and also by Shaila Krupa, third case, Shaila Krupaya. Of the Shaila is mountain, means of the mountains Krupa also, and of these saints that we have worshipped by their Krupa also. Anatankaha asmakam for us. Anatanka, there is no atanka, there is no terror, there is no fear because of their Krupa, these two Krupas. Niyataha iti vishwasya pashupa. Niyataha, this is very sure. Niyataha, this is sure, this is guaranteed that we are fear-free, terror-free because of this Krupa. Iti Vishwasya Pashupan. He just consoled and gave assurance to all the cowherd boys, all the Brajavasis. Aho, Kinnayata Giribhid iti Sanchintya Nivasan. Iti Sanchintya Nivasan. Nivasan, state. Sanchintya, having thinking like this, iti. Lord is waiting. What Lord is thinking? Kinnayata, why he has not come? Indra. Lord is waiting for Indra. Lord is thinking why Indra has not yet come. O Marudgehadisha, O Guruvairappa, O Muravairin, O the slayer of Mura Asura. Mama Gadan Pranuda. My Gadan ailments, Pranuda, remove my ailments. Surendra Kruddhasche, Dvijakarunaya Shaila Krupayapi, Anatanko'smakam Niyata iti Vishwasya Pashupan, Aho Kinnayataha Giribhiditi Sanchintya Nivasan, Marudgehadhisha प्रणुदमुरवैरिन्मम गदान् सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनम् गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. So with his krupa, we have completed our second dashakam well within the time of daily Gita. We didn't have to run. So if any doubts are there, please send me a WhatsApp message. I have been reminded that I have got lot of backlogs to clear. I have to give lot of recordings. I will do it slowly one by one. Again, I'm going to travel. Our class is not getting affected, so don't worry. Wednesday's class will get affected. Thursday, it is Atikala Pongala. So I'll be going to Trivandrum and offer Pongala on everybody's behalf to Devi there and come back. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday class may or may not I will put for the Bhagavad class. I'm hoping I'll be there. Bhagavad class will also not get affected. And Thursday we don't have. So, but what is going to get affected is Ekanati Bhagavad sessions will get affected again for Wednesday and Thursday. So those who are not knowing about Atukala Pongala, please do Google, read about it. It's the highest women's gathering ever. And where the entire Trivandrum comes under the spell of Devi, and there are no roads functioning because everybody is out on the street, apart from what is happening at the temple, because in few hundred thousands women, they offer Pongala, and in the traditional way by putting it on the firewood in the mud pot. So do Google, watch the pictures, and we all seek Devi Ma's blessings, that may her grace always be on us and her Shakti flow through us, so that our sadhana only intensifies. And of course, our Guru Vairappa, that our attention from him should never go. And let us not get into such Indra kind of angry spells, not only on Lord, on anybody, because Lord resides in all of them. Okay, let's end today's session and
Is it
join.
on Thursday, Varshaji?
Yes, it's on Thursday.
So it's usually on a full moon day, is it? Because it's full moon on Wednesday, I think, Wednesday night.
So it is holy here.
Holy.
Okay, so anyway, then the class would
We
have
also have, we have Savitri Nombu that is on Wednesday evening.
Okay.
So we
So
also
Wednesday
do
have
some
to travel
prayers.
early because the roads would get closed, and this time getting a spot closer to the temple.
Okay.
Have to carry all the firewood, which is from the coconut trees and all over here. So been busy collecting all that, washing, drying, all that is happening on one side. We have to carry everything and then set up our fireplace out over there.
Lovely.
So let us end the session. Meet tomorrow. So tomorrow's session is there. Tomorrow next to. I hope the speed is not so much that you all are not able to practice or hold the tune. Please don't forget the tunes. Don't confuse. Please practice. So after 70th Dashakam, we will have one revision. Let the 20 Dashakams just flow. Then we will on Monday and Tuesday we will divide. Let's see whether this time we can divide 35 and 35. Too much. Let's see, whatever Lord wills will happen. If we don't chant and we are chanting only once in the class, see, like the last verse when we have done twice chanting, actually that's the way it should have been. But we are on a fast track to finish. So we are doing only one chanting, we are not repeating, and we are not doing the line complete and the pada complete and the half portion complete. We are not doing that. Otherwise, we would chant each verse at least 3-4 times. But that's not happening. And we are only doing one chanting just because we want to be on fast track. And I also don't guarantee like this somewhere I'll go and then gasp, okay, there's a lot of missing. So it's rushing everybody. That's also not nice. But anyways, whatever Lord wills, it's happening. So we have to practice because the class practice is less. So the tunes will be forgotten. So something you all have to do. And sometimes when you know the tune, that time at least the first verse record and keep in your voice. So you have a ready reference. After 3 months, this is forgotten. Otherwise, it's tough. It won't flow. Okay, let's end the session. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om, everyone. Thank you so much. See you all tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Varsha.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Hari Om.
Hari Om. Hari
Thank you.
Hari Om Varshanti.
Hari Om, my sweetheart.